Janice, where's your string? Where is it? Where? Down there? Are you sure? Let's see. I don't know. I think you took it in the living room. I don't see it down there. Oh, yeah, it is. It's down there. Oh, with a whole bunch of dirty clothes. We'll go get it. I see it there. Get your string. I'm coming. Yeah, get your string. You got it? Come on. Yes, I got it. Oh, it's stuck. Okay. Yeah. I see what you got going on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go upstairs. Come on. Upstairs. Thank you. It was downstairs. Oh, living room. Warren, how you doing? You dying slowly? Yeah. Gertrude? Is it just too hot for words? Yeah. Janice, I'm getting. I want to play. You good? Nope. Jimmy? So we're gonna look at Emerson.